Hey ladies of the Superfit gang, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing a very important topic that affects many women, vaginal yeast infections. Have you ever experienced itching, burning, or other uncomfortable symptoms down there? Stick around as we explore the causes, symptoms, and most importantly, home treatments for vaginal yeast infections. It's possibly the most common issue for women. 75 out of 100 women get vaginal yeast infection at least once in their lifetime. That's 3 out of every 4 women. So, if you're dealing with this, you're definitely not alone. Before we dive into the remedies, let's understand what a vaginal yeast infection is. Do you know what yeast infections are and how they affect the body? Drop a comment below and let me know. Understanding yeast infection. Yeast infections are caused by an overgrowth of a fungus called Candida, mostly Candida albicans. This fungus is naturally present in our bodies, but can multiply and cause an imbalance, leading to an infection. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, we'll share some of the best home treatments that can provide quick relief from a vaginal yeast infection. Causes and symptoms. Let's quickly talk about the causes and symptoms of vaginal yeast infections. Understanding these can help you prevent future infections. Common causes of vaginal yeast infections include 1. Antibiotics. These can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria and yeast in your body. 2. High sugar diet. Excess sugar can promote yeast growth. 3. Hormonal changes. Pregnancy, birth control pills, and menopause can increase the risk. 4. Weak immune system. Conditions like diabetes or immune system disorders can make you more susceptible. 5. Tight clothing. Wearing tight, non-breathable clothing can create a warm, moist environment that yeast loves. Symptoms of vaginal yeast infection. The symptoms of a vaginal yeast infection can be quite uncomfortable and include 1. Itching and irritation around the vaginal area. 2. Burning sensation, especially during urination or intercourse. 3. Redness and swelling of the vulva. 4. Thick white discharge, often described as resembling cottage cheese. 5. Soreness and pain around the vaginal area. Home remedies and medical treatments. Now that we know what causes vaginal yeast infections and their symptoms, let's explore some effective home treatments. First up is coconut oil. Coconut oil has antifungal properties that can help fight off the yeast causing the infection. Simply apply a small amount of organic coconut oil to the affected area 2 to 3 times a day. Next, we have Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which can help restore the balance of bacteria and yeast in your body. Apply plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt directly to the infected area, or add it to your diet for internal benefits. Tea tree oil is another powerful remedy. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Dilute a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, and apply it to the affected area. Remember to do a patch test first to avoid any allergic reactions. Apple cider vinegar can also be very effective. It helps to restore the natural pH balance of your vagina, creating an inhospitable environment for yeast. Add 1 to 2 cups of apple cider vinegar to your bath water and soak for 20 minutes. Garlic is a natural antifungal and antibiotic. You can include more garlic in your diet or insert a garlic clove wrapped in gauze into your vagina for a few hours. Just be sure to remove it after a few hours to avoid irritation. And there you have it, some quick and effective home treatments for vaginal yeast infections. Remember, if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Superfit Gang, for more health tips and remedies.